Hi guys, in this video I will explain you guys how you can use your mobile phone as the remote control of your TV. This is how it works is your mobile phone and the TV must be connected with the same Wi-Fi internet. So first thing you need to do is go into the settings of your phone and check either your mobile phone is connected with the Wi-Fi, and then you need to do the same with your TV as well. Check either your TV is connected with the Wi-Fi. After confirming both devices are connected with the same Wi-Fi, you need to go into the App Store or the Google Play Store if you have an Android device. Then you need to type the name of your TV, as I'm doing Samsung TV remote, and search the remote for it. In 99% searches it brings up this result. On Android devices and on the App Store it brings up same remote. So it's not the same, it's the name of the app. It's called Sam Remote. This remote control works with almost 99% of the TVs like Samsung TV, the Sony TV and all other TVs. Because I already have installed it, I'm just opening it to show you guys how it works. On the top left corner you can see a TV sign and the Wi-Fi sign. Click on it and start a scan. Click on the start a scan button. Because my mobile phone and the TV are connected with the same Wi-Fi, it picked up my device straight away. So as you see, it picked up Samsung 5 series TV. I clicked on it and my remote control started working. So you can do everything what you do with the normal remote control, like changing the channels, selecting the source, and almost everything you do with the normal TV. You can turn off the TV, you can turn it back on. So it works very fine for me for nearly 3-4 years. So I hope it works fine for you as well. Thank you for watching video. Bye bye.